How to fix TikTok profile view option not showing. First, launch open your device settings. Now tap on connections, then tap on Wi-Fi. Here you want to check your internet connection. You can also switch with data and then check. Next thing you want to do is head back. Now scroll all the way down and select software update. If there is any update remaining over here, go ahead and update your software. After that, head back over to your settings. Now you want to select the option of apps. From here you want to locate TikTok, then tap on that. Now select the option of storage. Once you're here, tap on clear cache, then head back. Now select permissions. Here select location. Now make sure that it is set to don't allow. Once you have disabled location, now launch over TikTok. Then head over to your profile by tapping on the bottom right corner. Then tap on the three lines. Here select settings and privacy. Now select privacy. Here scroll down and select the option of viewers. If this option is toggled off, go ahead and toggle it on. Once you have toggled this on, this issue will be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.